Thanks for joining the call and for this testimonial. And we are very happy to have this testimonial with you, Ash. We spent a very good journey together in which Ashutosh and the team and the Propel Guru will stick to all this together with you. So, yeah, Ashutosh.
So, Ash, first of all, just tell me about yourself and your company.
My name is Ash, and I'm a digital marketer performance in Flashbox. Our company is delivering solution for B2B businesses around Canada.
Okay. So, how you get about the Propel Guru?
Um, in the Upwork platform, we find you and make communication, and then we start the project.
Okay. So, what things you like most about the Propel Guru?
The most important things that I really enjoyed was the fast communication that your team had, and always being available for the calls and resolving the issues.
That sounds very amazing. So, Ash, after this, all the project goes on. So, do you feel any hassle in the communication in turnaround time?
No, no. The communication was very good, and whenever we reached out to Ashutosh and the other team members, we get instant response and very supportive.
So, what impressed you the most, about the Propel Guru team? Like, what makes the difference you feel working with us?
Well, beside the communication, the ability to run different campaigns on so many different platforms was very impressive, and the power of analyzing the data and optimizing the campaigns based on that data was also impressive as well.
Okay. So, do you recommend us to any of your friends and the business partners?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And I think at some point we are going to work with your team again.
Thank you so much for all this amazing feedback you have shared for the Propel Guru. And it's very inspiring for us to work with you. Like Ashutosh and the team has seen very amazing experience, and we believe we connect together and having a long-term relationship of a business.
Yeah, absolutely. Um, it was very pleasure working with you guys as well, and really enjoying working with you.
Okay, thank you so much.